Say hi, Grandpa.
Hi, Grandpa.
Once you get up there, you won't be able to get out.
Walk up and say hi.
Just walk this way.
See, Grandpa? Look how high he is! Woo! What's he doing? They're bringing him in here.
He's coming on.
Simon, say hi to Mommy.
Hey, Mom.
Tell her what you're doing.
We are on the TT train. Mommy, we're on Thomas now.
Can I just pick up the phone?
Look at all the people that were leaving. Look at all the people. Roman, where's your ticket? Good boy. You show Mommy your ticket and Daddy? No, don't touch.
Keep your hands
Keep your hands inside. You don't want to make an owie. Woo, look at the train.
Bye.
He said bye.
Now what time is the Dutch? He made us go backwards. How do we slide this down?
Don't slam down or hurt your fingers.
Yeah, you don't want to close it. It'll be too hot in here. What do you see? Oh, no. Don't lean out the window. No, keep your head inside. Roman.
Wave.
Hi.
Hey.
You want to take a little shot of Simon looking?
Huh?
Take a shot of Simon.
How do you do this?
It's running already. Just aim it at him.
Is it running?
Say hi, Grandpa. What do you see out there? You see the goats? Where are the goats?
A Thomas Event Strasburg Railroad combination ticket, or purchase a ticket at the Strasburg station in order to ride this train. Passengers holding tickets for the first class car
look at you
board
go.
car number 88 to Marriott at post 0. You have a ticket for the dining car board car number 93 to ready to go car post 7 or 8. No other passengers please board a car labeled coach.
Come on, Simon! Come on! Come on, Simon. How was that, Roman? Huh? Okay. She's ready to go. Yeah. There's a conductor. Woo, we're going in a tunnel. Uh-oh, we're coming to the big train. Look at the big train over there. Whoa, you see that big train? Okay, there you go. Woo! Oh, that's pretty awesome, isn't it?
That was loud.
Yeah, it was wow, yeah.
And that was
Sit down, Roman, please. Sit. Where are we going now?
We're going downtown.
You see Grandpa? Where's Grandpa? Hey, be nice.
Hi.
Where's Grandpa? See Grandpa?
Hi.
Not poopy. Where's Grandpa?
Look at me though. Look here. Look here. Hey, Roman. Stand here. Look at me.
Don't be so silly. Attaboy. What do you got? Show me your train. Oh, who's coming up there? Who's that, Simon? Here he goes. Wow, look at your car go. Just as fast as Thomas's.
Siren, look at Siren.
Show Simon how to do that. Pull it back, Simon.
Look, Roman. Simon, look.
Not open it up, right? And then that goes over to get to the Credit Suisse deal.